Today we're going to continue talking about structural stability. Structural stability is what makes a object solid, like a building, a table, a desk, as you've seen in the previous videos. This is a project that I'd like you to try at home. You can either use regular paper or you can use cardboard. I've done it both here. You take your pieces, fold them in half, and then you can set them up. And then you take some flat pieces that you've cut out and you can put them on top. Now here's the thing when you put it on top. Depending on how you set up your side pieces is going to depend on whether it's going to hold. As you see, I put them like this. If I put any pressure on it, it folds down. How about we take them and we turn them like this. Now when I put the same pressure on it, it holds. I want you to build a tower as tall as you can, and I want you to get a picture of yourself with your tower, or if you want, build a bridge. What I'm going to do here is I've made mine out of cardboard. All you want to remember that each size, if you use different sizes, each piece of that has to be the exact same height. See how these are the same height and these are the same height. That's going to allow us to have this hold up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 pieces and put a 5th one in the middle. And we're going to take a flat piece of cardboard and put it on top. And then we're going to push this in and these in. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing again. And you're going to keep building until you get your tower built. And for each layer, if you're using cardboard, another thing that can happen that's pretty cool is here's a piece of wood. Let's see if this holds this on there. Put that on there and we still got our structure. So now we're going to go ahead and build one more height. I'm going to put the 2 here like so, put it on top like that. Now these pieces get 2 different sizes, but we're going to put it like that. And we're going to put our last piece on top. Depending on the number of pieces that you have will depend on how tall you can build it. See how tall you can build it? Try different designs. Try folding the paper in different ways. Make each piece bigger or smaller depending on what you want. And then remember with structural stability, what happens if we take one of the components on the base out of the project? Let's see what happens. Okay, it's still standing, but what if we take another one out? This is like Jenga. You ready? I'm going to take the back one out on this side. It's still standing. Now, let's try it with the one in the middle. And there it goes. So remember, you have to have a stable base. We'll see you in the shop.